If you're serious about increasing your WordPress website traffic, you need to develop SEO and always pay attention to the best SEO practices used widely. Unfortunately, most WordPress SEO guides are written in very technical languages for beginners. In this guide, we'll introduce you to the essential WordPress SEO techniques to develop your WordPress website and get more organic traffic. In our previous article, we've explained what SEO is and why it's important. Briefly, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's the process of optimizing content to be discovered through a search engine's organic search results. When it comes to SEO, WordPress is one of the best content management systems available. Its features and functions guide a search engine through articles, pages, and categories, assisting the search engine in crawling your site and gathering the information necessary to add your site to its database. Therefore, many people choose WordPress as their primary CMS platform, as it offers a variety of options to rank higher. It means that you can focus your efforts on the tasks that make a real difference to your rankings and organic visibility. The practices used to improve online content rank higher in search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo are referred to as WordPress SEO. More organic traffic comes from higher SERP rankings. When compiling this ultimate guide and strategy, we started with one assumption. You're busy and don't have time to do research every day that lasts hours and hours. One note we have to make. The SEO strategies and methods are endless, and each method has its impression and engagement rate. In this article, you'll learn the best ways to optimize your WordPress site for SEO, including the tools that'll make your journey substantially easier. Number 1. Check your WordPress website's visibility settings. Before you make any changes to your website, you have to check the default settings of your WordPress site. Usually, WordPress disables your website visibility to the search engine systems automatically. Its purpose is to give you some time to make sure that everything is ready before showing the website to people. WordPress gives you the ability to discourage search engines from indexing your site, which essentially means it won't rank. It's worth double-checking your visibility settings in Settings, then to Reading to ensure that you're not accidentally preventing search engines from indexing your website. You should also ensure that writing and reading settings are also set correctly. These control your default categories and what should be displayed on your homepage. Don't forget to give your site a strong tagline in Settings and then General. Number 2. Use SEO-friendly URL structure in your WordPress website. The URL format is an essential part of SEO structure. SEO-friendly URLs contain words that clearly explain the page's content, and they're easy to read by both humans and search engines. Here's an example of an SEO-friendly URL. fscode.com, blog best hosting plans for your WordPress website. Notice that the URL is readable and delivers the first site of content. The user can guess what they'll see on the page by just looking at the URL text. Clear, descriptive links that describe their content are more accessible for search engines to make sense of and tend to get a ranking boost. Now let's see an example of non-SEO friendly URLs. fscode.com, blog post 10. Notice that the URL uses only numbers of undefined characters. Therefore, humans and search engines cannot see the actual content and its quality. Since no one can define what the URL is about, it's unlikely to get a boost for a better ranking. Using an SEO-friendly permalink structure improves your chances of getting better positions in search results. In order to change your website settings, you need to visit Settings, then Permalinks. You can easily change your permalink structure or create a custom one by revisiting your site's backend. Number 3. Choose a reliable hosting plan. You have dedicated articles about hosting plans. Before choosing the hosting server, please first refer to our articles regarding the best free and paid hosting plans. As we stated before, speed and reliability are the key terms of website visibility. Usually, search engines look for websites that have quality content and fast load times. You can measure your website's load speed by using several tools such as Google Page Insights, GTmetrix, WebDevMeasure. When you check the page speed of your WordPress website, these tools offer valuable tips to optimize your website. Since Google considers speed when ranking sites, a good host can help push you to the top of the SERPs. Please note that slow page loads means search engines will not refer to your website and offer to the users. Number 4. Install SEO-friendly themes. WordPress themes determine the appearance and layout that provides new functionality. In addition, themes play a crucial role in its SEO. Your theme can affect your site's speed. Also, complex design and codes can make your search engines discourage your website due to its nature. Therefore, before choosing a theme and implementing it to your website, always try its demo version and measure its speed. You can check the suitable themes for your WordPress website from several sources. However, we recommend that you first check ThemeForest to find out the best theme for your website. Number 5. Install SEO plugins. If you're new to WordPress and don't have deep knowledge of it, you may not be familiar with the necessary plugins. In brief, these are small pieces of add-on software that enable more functionality for your WordPress website. There are several 100,000 plugins in the WordPress plugin market. Each of them has dedicated properties that help your website to run smoothly. There's a plugin to help your site do just about anything, including rank higher in search engines. In fact, there are many plugins designed specifically to improve your site's SEO. When it comes to choosing the best WordPress SEO plugin, you'll most likely narrow your choices down to the two most popular solutions: All-in-One SEO or Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a popular SEO plugin with thousands of positive reviews. It offers an incredible number of powerful features while being easy to use, like focused keyword reports, internal link suggestions, page and content analysis tool, and XML sitemaps. Yoast's page analysis tool is particularly handy because it gives you a complete picture of your page's performance. The readability, the length of the content, alt attributes, keyword density, title tags, and meta description, among others, are all analyzed to ensure you're on the right track. Another powerful SEO plugin is All-in-One SEO that is perfect for beginners as well as experts. This plugin also offers convenient features that will be perfect for your WordPress website, like Redirect Manager, automatic meta tags, Google Analytics support, XML sitemap support, and automatic blog title optimization. Number 6. Verify your website with Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a set of tools that offers the understanding to the website owners how their content is seen and performed by the search engine. It delivers reports and data to help you understand how your website performs and how people find your content on the web. Also, it provides precise reports about search terms, results, and how often the website pages are clicked. Google Search Console helps you to understand your niche and define your website's direction. While receiving such reports each month, you can plan your content strategy accordingly. Moreover, Google Search Console alerts you about problems and issues on your WordPress website, such as duplicate content, limited resources, or negative access of crawlers. When you verify your website in the Google Search Console, click Sitemap in the left menu and submit the sitemap URL. Usually, it takes several hours for Google to check your website and index your website pages. Conclusion: WordPress is the best platform to create a well-optimized website. When it comes to SEO optimization, WordPress offers a variety of tools and opportunities. In this article, we've talked about the basic and essential elements of SEO optimization. However, this is not the end of the topic. We'll continue to give details about SEO optimization in the following article. To find out more, stay tuned. On the other hand, whether you use plugins or different methods, always use your unique strategies for your website according to your plans and needs. Optimizing any process takes time, but you'll be one step closer to improving your site's visibility and traffic with these tools and knowledge.